Hey Klara, I still don't fully understand how many company profiles we need to create for catalog provisioning in the wescale network. Can you explain this to me?
Of course, Ben. Let's go through this step by step. First of all, you should know how catalog provision is organized in your company and, in particular, how it is contractually regulated. The contracts between purchasing and supplier are not known to wescale. If the catalog provision is centrally controlled and distributed, it is sufficient for the responsible office to subscribe to the catalog once for a country. If business units within a country are independently responsible for catalog provision, the same catalog must be subscribed to by different business units. This results in the required company profiles. It also determines whether all supplier relationships can be concluded with a single company profile. If so, you may just need one company profile. If each legal entity has its own business relationships, each requires its own company profile. Let's take a look at an example. At Movisia Germany AG takes care of catalog provision in Germany, Italy, Spain and Poland. Movisia Germany AG has a contract with Austrian Book SE for this purpose. In the USA, Movisia USA Corporation has a contract with Austrian Book Corporation. Movisia therefore requires two company profiles, one for Movisia Germany AG and one for Movisia USA Corporation. Similarly, the supplier Austrian Book requires two company profiles, one for Austrian Book SE and one for Austrian Book Corporation.
Thank you, Klara. The example really helped me. Now I understand how many company profiles we should create.
You're welcome, Ben. It's important to know how your company has organized catalog provision across the entire corporate structure. You can simply reproduce this in the wescale network.